we finally got a decent day. Perfect timing, because I'm heading over to Canning Town to meet up with one of my friends as part of my social bubble. Yeah man, recently it's just been damp all the time. I mean, English winters are like that. For those of you who don't like oh, hold up, a GPS is in my head, so I don't exactly know how to get there, but anyway. Yeah, for those of you who don't live in the UK, English winters are really damp. I'm pretty sure there's some places in the States or other places in the world, but that are damp during winter. But in China, where I used to live, back in Shanghai, winters are dry, bro. It's like, it's sunny, it's dry. Like, you wake up in the morning, the grounds are just all dry. The only bad thing is that your lips start cracking and your face feels like, you know, just dry. Everything, just dry. But I'd rather have that than to wake up every morning and to have, you know, damp roads as soon as you wake up in the morning. So if I ever want to ride out in the morning, it's cold, it's wet, it's a bit windy, it's just not that nice. So that's why in winter I usually just leave it outside the afternoon like this, where the sun's not too bright when it is sunny. But then the roads have all been dried up because obviously all the cars have been driving on it throughout the day, and then the water kind of just dries out. But yeah. So this video I'm actually testing out a different audio setup. Usually I use my little waist pack and then I put the microphone in there, but this time I don't have the external purple Panda microphone hooked up to my audio recorder. I just have it bare bones strapped into the back of my backpack. So hopefully I don't have a wind muffler on it, which is a problem because it's a big audio recorder and I don't have a wind muffler big enough to fit over it. So fingers crossed that, you know, wind isn't going to get through my backpack, because it is meant to be waterproof, and like the seals, the zips are like, they've got like this little plastic sealant over it, like I don't know what it is, but it's like just to prevent water from going in. So hopefully it also prevents air from going in when I'm going like at slightly higher speeds. So fingers crossed, and I hope this audio turns out better, because the reason why bumpy roads the reason why oh, that was not the right gear. The reason why I wanted to change the audio setup is I feel like my waist pack is it's a Krieger waist pack, so it's really like compact, and then when you close it up, it's basically, it's not airtight, but it's pretty much airtight, and it's waterproof as well. So I feel like the sound from the exhaust pipe doesn't fully go into the microphone, and then you know, it kind of just, it's like recording underwater. I don't know why. Like, from obviously when I'm sat on top of the bike to post-production, for me it just sounds different. So that's why I wanted to get a oh, do I take the tunnel or not? Yeah. That's why I wanted to put it in the backpack, because obviously the surrounding area is a lot more spacious, and hopefully the sound can like resonate once it gets inside the backpack. So it wouldn't sound like it's muffled, or like, you know, the microphone's been put underwater. So yeah, hopefully it works. And if it does work, I'm going to use this setup to do all my like audio recordings from now on. But yeah, but we got a nice ride over to Canning Town, so I'll just leave it at that, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. Catch you guys in a bit.